Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Zoho Mail versus Gmail versus Protonmail. Which one's the best? Let's find out. Zoho Mail is a business-focused email solution designed for professionals and organizations that value control and customization. It offers ad-free email hosting, a clean web interface, and seamless integration with Zoho's broader suite of business apps like CRM, projects, and docs. Features like advanced admin controls, custom domains, and collaboration tools make it ideal for teams who need to manage multiple users, delegate tasks, and keep communications organized. For example, a small business can set up a shared team mailbox, assign roles, and track email activity across the company. However, while its free plan is generous with basic features, some users find its setup and integration process more technical compared to mainstream providers, especially if you're connecting it to third-party apps outside the Zoho ecosystem. Gmail, from Google Workspace, is the most widely used email platform globally. It is perfect for both personal and business use, offering seamless integration with Google Drive, Calendar, and Meet. Smart Compose helps speed up writing emails, while robust spam filtering and top-tier reliability ensure your inbox stays organized and secure. For instance, freelancers or remote teams can easily share documents in Google Drive and schedule meetings without leaving Gmail, which makes workflows smooth and efficient. On the downside, Gmail displays targeted ads in free accounts, and privacy control is somewhat limited since all emails are processed within Google's ecosystem. This might be a concern for users who want stricter control over data access. Lastly, Protonmail, based in Switzerland, focuses on privacy and security. It uses end-to-end encryption and zero-access architecture, ensuring that even Proton itself cannot read your emails. This makes it ideal for journalists, activists, or anyone handling sensitive information who wants to prevent unauthorized access. Protonmail also supports self-destructing messages and encrypted communication between users. However, its free storage is limited, and some advanced features like custom domains and additional storage require paid plans. So it may not be the best option for large businesses or heavy email users without a subscription. In short, Zoho Mail suits businesses wanting control with powerful admin and collaboration features. Gmail excels in convenience, reliability, and integration, making it perfect for both individuals and teams already using Google services. Protonmail is for privacy-first users who prioritize secure, encrypted communication. If privacy tops your list, go Proton for simplicity and strong encryption. Gmail wins for professional customization and ease of use, and Zoho Mail shines for team-focused business environments. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you decide which email platform fits your needs, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tips.